Hey guys, welcome back to Nessa's World. So today guys, I have another J1 tip, and this tip is specifically for orientation, job fair, interview, whatever you call it. I just want to prepare you for your job fair to come. So if you want to know some more tips, or if you want to learn something or educate yourself or be prepared for your job fair or interview, stay tuned, keep watching, yeah, and let me know in the comments that you are here, right? And guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I release a new video, you be the first to know. Alright guys, so the first tip is dress comfortable. Like, I know they tell us to dress modest and dress like you're going for an interview, but you can dress modest and comfortable. Like, don't put on no heels. Like, I know you want to look good, I know you want to make a scene when you walk through that door, but guys, the reality of it is that you don't know how long you're gonna be there, because some job fair take all day. Some interview, because they have so many students, so much students to interview, you may be at the back of the line and you don't even know it. So guys, please dress comfortable. You can put yourself together, put on a little cardigan and a little nice pants, and then you have a flats. Like, don't overdo it. Don't wear no heels, because you're gonna be standing like the whole day, because sometimes like you have to be up and down, round and about, and you're gonna be so uncomfortable. So guys, please remember to dress comfortable and put yourself together, of course. Yeah. Number 2, remember to have something to eat breakfast, because you may be there all day, and some of the agencies don't provide food. Some of them, you would have to go there and buy food and all that, but some of the agencies don't provide food, while some do, and you may be there like from morning to the evening, and then you start feeling giddy and nauseous, or you just feel uncomfortable in your body because you haven't eat. So guys, please remember to eat before you go to the job fair. And if you don't eat on your way there, try to get something like some tea or something. And yes, I know this is not really such of an importance as it relates to the job fair, but guys, remember, your health comes first. It doesn't make sense you neglect your body to go and get a job. You need to put yourself first, and then the job will come later. Number 3, walk in with everyone in the same boat attitude. What I mean by this is that a lot of us as people, we are so anxious, and we get so nervous because we're thinking about interview, wonder if we're gonna get the job, wonder if it's gonna go right, wonder if everything is gonna be okay, and you be there and you're so nervous. Like, remember guys, everyone is there for the same reason, the same purpose, and there is 99.9% that you're gonna get the job. Like, they don't fail anyone. Like, if they do fail someone, is because of the person. You cannot go to the person and say, I didn't want this job and I wanted something else. Like, obviously they're not going to take you. But if you go there wanting a job, and even if you say the stupidest thing, guys, they're going to take you, because remember, they need us. They need us to come into their country and work, because in the summer they don't have a lot of their people to work, because a lot of person take vacation for their family and all of that, and they rely on us, the J1s, to work in their country. So just walk in there, be confident, don't be anxious, because you're gonna get a job. Just be calm, because you're gonna get a job, guys. You're gonna get a job. Okay, take my full advice. Don't be nervous. You have no need to be nervous. Now leave the nervousness like for something else, right? Number 4, be prepared. Be be prepared. Now guys, one of the way to be prepared, walk with your resume, walk with, a passport size picture, and, just have your questions, to ask them, know about the company that you're going to work, get an idea of the employer, get an idea of the whole sponsor thing, so that when you go there you're not blank or you're not new to this. Go and do your research so you can come back with an open mind, and you can ask questions. Number 5. Remember I told you to walk with your notepad? Well, that notepad should have questions in them. So number 5 will be ask a lot of questions. Yes, remember that you're going into a country that might be new to you, and you're going to be there for 4 months, and before you even get there you want to be well prepared. You want to wrap your mind about things. You want to get used to stuff, because remember, you're here at home. Probably some of you have your own room. You don't share anything with anyone, and you're gonna go into a country where you're new to person, and then you have to adapt that lifestyle. So ask question like, are you gonna share room? Ask question like, how is the kitchen? Like, if you're gonna share kitchen with a number of person, or you're just gonna share kitchen with probably 4 person or 2 person. Ask questions like, how is your commute from home to work? How are you gonna get to work? Are you gonna use a bicycle? Are you gonna take a cab? Do they provide transportation? Ask questions like, how much do I get paid? Do you pay overtime? After I work 40 hours, do you guys pay overtime? Because some of these companies are seasonal, and seasonal company don't pay overtime. So you need to know, if you work over 40 hours, if you're going to be paid overtime. And that's some of the questions that you need to ask. Like, anything that you think of, just ask the question. Go there and be prepared. And this is not a very long video. I just wanted to just do something for you guys. So guys, as I said, don't be anxious. Just go out there, put your best self forward, and just go out there with the attitude like, I'm taking this home, because you're gonna get it. Just go out there and just be happy, wear a smile, and yeah. And that's it, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, so whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to know.